Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Overwatch on your MacBook. Many Mac users believe they cannot enjoy this popular team-based shooter, but that is simply not true. We will explore two primary methods: leveraging powerful cloud gaming services and utilizing virtualization software to run Windows. Both options provide a fantastic gaming experience, allowing you to join the action with friends. Let's dive into the details of each approach. Cloud gaming is an excellent solution for playing Overwatch on your Mac without needing to install the game locally. Services such as NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream the game directly from powerful remote servers. This means the heavy lifting is done elsewhere, and your Mac simply displays the video feed. You will need a reliable internet connection, ideally 25 megabits per second or faster, for a smooth, low-latency experience. It's a fantastic way to play with minimal setup. For those with Apple Silicon Macs, virtualization software like Parallels Desktop offers another robust option. This software allows you to install a full version of Windows for ARM directly on your Mac OS system. Once Windows is set up, you can then install and play Overwatch just as you would on a traditional PC. For optimal performance, we recommend your MacBook has at least 16 gigabytes of unified memory and a powerful M-series chip. This method provides a native-like gaming experience. To get the best Overwatch experience on your MacBook, consider a few optimization tips. For cloud gaming, a wired Ethernet connection is always superior to Wi-Fi for minimizing latency. If using virtualization, adjust Overwatch's in-game graphics settings to find a balance between visual fidelity and a smooth frame rate. Always ensure you close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources. With these strategies, you'll be ready to jump into the action and enjoy Overwatch on your Mac.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.